Light of cleaner to protect health. Ultrasonic cleaner UC48AD. Durable material made of corrosion-resistant and easy to clean stainless steel. Quick and convenient, saves staff time and energy. Deep cleaning effectively removes stains and bacteria on the surface of instrument. Temperature adjustment sets the cleaning temperature according to different instrument materials. Time setting ensure that each cleaning can achieve the best effect. Drain valve convenient for water to be discharged from the chamber. Let us create a cleaner and healthier medical environment together.